Python is considered one of the world's most popular languages and a great place for beginners to learn how to code. However, many codes on YouTube can be dense, filled with jargon, and not meant for true beginners. So I am Rohit Srivastava from Schoolabe. I have been instructor in Schoolabe teaching students to how to code. I am also a self-taught programmer, so I know what it feels like to be a true beginner. In my course Python for non-programmer, you will learning Python from zero in relaxed and fun environment. In this series, I am going to cover step by step with short 5-minute video explaining the topic and then giving you a quick challenge to make sure you are truly grasp what we just learned. We also apply our learning in this course by creating 5 complete projects: digital fortune cookie, a word counter, number guessing game, head and tail game, and a word jumble game. So if you are ready to learn world's most popular programming language in a fun and beginner friendly way, join me in a Python for non-programmers and subscribe our YouTube channel if you are watching on YouTube.